How to activate Bell SIM card. So first of all, you need to simply start by opening up any browser that you are using, and then you just need to click on the search icon and search for Bell SIM card activation. Once you search for this, you just need to make sure to go for the first one, which is the official bell.com. So simply click there. Now once you are on this page, as you can see, we have two options: activate an physical SIM card or activate an eSIM. Now we are activating a SIM card, so I will simply enter my particular number that is given on my prepaid SIM card. So I will simply enter it and click on continue to next step. Now my SIM card is already activated, so I cannot continue further, but the next step will going to be entering your phone number. Then you need to rate the plan, and then you need to add any add-ons that you want to go with. Then you need to provide your account information, and then you need to top up and select the payment options, and at the end there will be an option of review. And once you follow all the on-screen instructions, you will be successfully able to activate your Bell SIM card. So that's the way of how you can activate Bell SIM card on phone.